In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage billing in Notion, especially if you're a beginner looking to navigate these features smoothly. Managing billing effectively is crucial to maintaining your Notion subscription and ensuring uninterrupted access to all the features you need. So let's dive right in and simplify this process. To start, you'll need to open Notion and locate the Settings and Members section. It's your go-to hub for all account-related activities. You can find this in the sidebar on the left of your screen, and it's usually towards the bottom of that menu. Going through this section provides a comprehensive view of your account setup, enabling you to make changes tailored to your needs. Once you've clicked on Settings and Members, look for the Billing section. Typically, it's positioned prominently in the menu for easy access, so you can simply click on it to proceed. This is where all the magic happens concerning your payments. By opening the Billing tab, you're now about to access all details pertaining to your invoices, payment methods, and subscription plans. If you ever run into issues with billing, this is the first place to check. Now in this section, take a thorough look at your invoices and payment methods. Reviewing this information helps in understanding what you're currently paying for and whether it matches your expectations. You can easily see a history of charges and upcoming payments here, which is quite helpful in maintaining budgets and financial planning related to the use of Notion. If you've had any recent transactions, make sure they reflect accurately. This process reduces the chance of any unnoticed discrepancies and helps you catch any errors in billing promptly. After reviewing your invoices, you might find the need to update your card or billing information. This is an essential step if your current payment method is outdated, or if you've recently switched banks or credit card providers. Keeping this information updated ensures that your subscription continues smoothly without any interruptions. You'll see an option to edit your payment methods such as credit card details, billing address, or switching to a different payment method altogether. This is pretty straightforward. Simply follow the prompts after clicking on the Update option. Be sure to double-check your entries to prevent any processing errors later on. And that's it. You've now managed your billing information in Notion with ease. This process, though simple, is a significant part of maintaining your Notion account and ensuring it's always ready to use. Remember, if you ever feel stuck, Notion's help, resources, and support are just a click away. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you today. Feel free to share in the comments below any additional tips you have on managing billing or any questions you might have about staying organized with Notion. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next video.